Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MFA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis last week, so that is where the red and green line annotation are coming from. And the green line specifically, which is highlighted in the $1.50, is what really the key dynamic here going forward is all about. And, the reason why it's all about that is, that's going to be a level of support. And the price, to give credit where credit's due, it did hold as support, but the big dynamic now starting off the week is, it's sitting right at this support. Is this thing about to break down and get that much nastier to the downside? Because let's face it, when you factor in last week in the sense of where the highs have been, trending, you notice that these highs just keep getting lower and lower and lower. Now, is that a guarantee that the price is for sure going to keep on going to the downside? No, of course not. There's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. But, it is something that not really looking that good, especially now where you have the price, knocking on the lows down here at that $1.50 mark. So definitely something to consider. And the other reason why $1.50 is so important is if the price, and I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but like I said, if the price were to fall down there and continue to separate to the downside, well, at that point, now all of a sudden the price is starting to drift back to where it was near those lows, and you don't want to see the price returning to where it was. But if the price can, like I said, stabilize out here at $1.50, which it really is trying its hardest, and like I said, that's why I'm stumbling over my words, because you can't quite say the entire chart is destroyed, because the price still has the chance to build the higher base, meaning if this ultimately does hold up, and then you would factor in that set of lows there and that lows down there. And if you envision those as stair steps, well, you still have stair steps playing a role and, trending in the upwards direction. The problem just becomes, like I said, when you factor in where those highs have been, they just keep getting lower and lower and things keep getting pretty shaky. But we'll see if that $1.50 mark can hold strong like it's been, or if this is kind of the beginning of a much nastier week. So only Monday, still 4 days left. So plenty of time for the price to try to get things turned around. So let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.